brothers and sisters, may we all rise to have the ceremonial toast for those who are celebrating their birthdays, those who are celebrating their anniversaries, and those who are celebrating the milestone of 30 plus years of service. So sa ating lahat, may we all rise our cups. In Chinese, they will say, "Kanpai." Kanpai. Yamse. Okay, toast. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And also, please take your seat. We will invite all the pastors to participate in the cake cutting, please. Okay, let's sing the happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. Yay! Congratulations! Happy birthday!
And now may we hear the inspirational talk from our loving Reverend Israel Angsil.
Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Good afternoon. Magandang hapon, mga kapatid. Good afternoon to each and every one of us here. And welcome to this FCC Milestone Program. And look around to this room today. What an incredible, vibrant tapestry of people we have gathered here under one roof. This is the very first time that the English congregation joined us. A round of applause for them. So today is not just a date on the calendar. It is a celebration of growth and expansion. It is a celebration of dedication and the beautiful community we have built together. Whether you have been with us since year 1, that was 2022, or you are stepping through our doors for the very first time,